current Maryland student. Kara Hamill is here to share with us her experiences at TERP. Please join me to welcome Kara Hamill to the podium.
Thank you. Welcome, admitted students, family members, parents, siblings, and friends. I am honored to be able to welcome you to the University of Maryland this morning. But before I begin, I would like to share another round of applause with all of you for being here as the newest admitted University of Maryland students. It's a big deal. My name is Kara Hamill, and I am a senior fire protection engineering major from Bowie, Maryland, and I will be graduating this May, right here in this building. I have never felt as old as I do today. When I saw class of 2019, I thought this has to be a typo. I know my time on campus will soon be coming to an end, but I'm thrilled to be passing the torch to you, our newest generation of TERPs. As Maryland students, you have an amazing experience ahead of you, and I am here this morning to share with you a little bit about my life as a TERP over the last 4 wonderful years. Although raised in a town only 20 minutes from College Park, I cannot say that I was always gung-ho about attending Maryland. I thought I wanted to get out of the state and go somewhere new, and was looking at mostly smaller colleges. As the deadline quickly approached, I slowly started to warm up to this university. I attended a Maryland basketball game right here 4 years ago, and with all the school spirit and energy on campus, I was finally able to start seeing myself as a TERP while pumping my fist during the Maryland Victory Song. It was not long before I knew that Maryland was the place for me. As an incoming engineering student, I also began to realize that Maryland was the clear choice if I wanted a strong and supported education. After reviewing statistics of Maryland of women in engineering at top universities, I saw that the University of Maryland had one of the top student retention rates, and this is a strong indication that the university had programs and people in place to help me succeed in and out of the classroom. I am so proud to be graduating this May as a woman in engineering who loves what she does, and I know that the help of the staff and faculty here at Maryland played a large part in my success. The level of support they provided me is unmatched across this country. During my time here, I have worked as an undergraduate researcher on campus, as well as in labs in the United Kingdom and in France, during an abroad experience that I created with the aid of one of my favorite faculty members. This is one of the greatest benefits of attending a larger research university like Maryland. We have relationships that connect us to all corners of the world. And because of these connections, I was able to spend 3 months abroad doing research, traveling, and making long-lasting friendships. And best of all, I got paid to do it. Although I love school, I know that there is more to my collegiate experience than what happens in the classroom. I promise all of you, I'm not a complete nerd. On a given night, you can see me playing intramural soccer over in Cole Fieldhouse, listening to a Beethoven symphony in the Clarice Smith Performing Arts Center, or grabbing dinner with friends around town. The University of Maryland gives its students the unique opportunity to find a community of people who are diverse in interest but common in excellence. I found my community my freshman year when I was hired as an orientation advisor, and for the past 3.5 years, I have been a part of a staff that is rich in diversity, integrity, and passion. I have made lifelong friends who have made me a better person during my time here. As an orientation advisor, I welcomed incoming students like you to the University of Maryland during the summers, helping them register for classes, figure out a dining plan, and know where to find the beautiful Epley Recreation Center so that they could work off all of the dairy ice cream that they'd be eating. If you come to the University of Maryland, or should I say when you come to the University of Maryland, you will be sure to meet the fun and exciting orientation staff. If there is one thing I wish I would have known before I came to Maryland, it would be that my perfect plan of what college would be, which was 4 years spent with the perfect roommates, getting straight A's in all of my classes, and of course never getting distracted, that this would not be too easy. I like to think of things in terms of food, so I'll provide my perspective about how high school and college differed for me. High school is like a pre-packed TV dinner. The mashed potatoes are perfectly placed in one compartment, surely separated from the roast beef and green beans in the neighboring compartments. In high school, my time was compartmentalized for me too. Class from 7 to 3, soccer practice from 3 to 5, music lessons from 5 to 6, dinner at 7, and back in bed by 11. Conversely, I like to think of college like a Chipotle burrito bowl. Everything is mixed together. Everyone's order is a little bit different, and you never know what the next bite will be like. In college, there are no barriers. You have the ability to create your own order and make the experience that works best for you. As your time goes on, you add more and more ingredients to your bowl, finding new clubs, making new friends, and taking on opportunities as you get to know campus a little bit better. As graduation approaches, I've been saying that I wish I could be a freshman again so that I could have 4 more years here at Maryland. And my wish came true. I am tremendously excited to be starting my graduate degree in fire protection engineering right here in June. I know I'll be getting closer to reaching my goal of becoming a university professor of engineering. I encourage you to make your time on campus even better than mine. As you spend time on campus, you will see that thousands of opportunities are offered, but it's up to you to take them. And don't forget, make your burrito bowl unique. Make it how you want it, and you will enjoy every single bite. Best of luck, and go Terps!